The specific workflow of nickel ore ball press: clean up the debris and fix the bolts before starting the nickel ball press. Check whether all bolts of the machine are loose or fall off. After removing the load, the ball press is allowed to start. Only when the motor steering is consistent with the steering of the big wheel of the motor can the tripod test machine be installed. Nickel ore ball press test machine first with the point method to make the motor pulse rotation, such as no other noise. Normal operation can be started. When feeding the nickel powder ball press, the electric feeder should be ensured to feed evenly and according to the warehouse pressure. The electric feeder should be adjusted to the best effect. After the end of each shift, the material in the silo of the nickel powder ball press should be used up, and the raw material should not be left behind to avoid starting with load in the future. Finally, normal stop or emergency stop as opposed to driving sequence. This is the workflow of nickel ore ball press.